So, now it's my turn again to say thank you to everybody. So, dear Rotarians, friends, and guests, as we come to the close of this insightful, inspiring district conference, focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion, and beyond, I want to take a moment to reflect on the tremendous value of what we have shared and learned together. During the day, we have explored the many facets of DEI and its importance in Rotary. We have heard lifetime experiences of our speakers' journey, discussed how embracing diversity of thought, culture, gender, profession, and background enriches our club and allows us to better serve our communities. More importantly, we have understood that DEI is not just a goal, it's a commitment that must permeate everything we do. I'm proud of how far Rotary has come in its efforts to be a truly inclusive organization. But I also recognize that there's more work to be done. As emphasized by Brian Rush, each of us has a role to play ensuring that our clubs are welcoming spaces where everyone feels valued and can contribute to the fullest of their abilities. As we return to our clubs, I encourage you to carry forward the lessons from this conference, promote equity and leadership opportunities within your clubs, champion diversity by actively recruiting new members from underrepresented communities, just not check marking, as Brian explained. It's not check marks we are doing. Foster inclusion by ensuring every voice is heard and respected. DI is not just a concept, it's about action. I want to thank our speakers and each of you for your participation, insights, and commitment to DEI. Your dedication to make Rotary more inclusive will ensure that our organization remains relevant and impactful for years. Together we can make Rotary a place where everyone belongs, where every idea has value, and where service to humanity is enriched by diversity of its members. Let's go forward with the purpose and continue the important work of creating a more equitable and inclusive Rotary for today and for future generations. But before concluding the conference, I would like to thank the organizing committee under the leadership of Nancy Coble for her vision and the tireless dedication of her team. We are able to present an engaging conference. I hope you are engaged with the conference, and I'm thankful to Coble. I would like to invite the committee members to please join me at the stage. Nancy Coble, chair, please. All of you come and join me at the stage. Is there anybody missing? Nobody's here? I can't see anybody. I'm talking to her. So Nancy, past district Kathy Dick, past district Bill Proctor, if he's here, Wally Summerlily, Rubina Ali, Timothy Whitehead, Reese Boers, Rod McLahan, Melody Mensch, Sheila Wellham, Betty Jo Parent, Jacob Lumger, Janani, I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce your name. I don't want to butcher the name of your last name. DGE, Suzanne Zimmerman, and Mariam Kasim. Can you come to the stage, please, all of you? Yeah, come on. So before thanking the team and giving them a big applause again, I just want to announce one thing. We are having our Rotary Leadership Institute on 2nd of November. It's in Gulf University, and we're getting emails. All the members, all the presidents are getting emails for that. So thank you to the team. We should give them a big round of applause. I'm also...
I still have a mic.
Oh, yeah, I can't...
I still have a mic.
Sure.
Do I have a mic? Actually, this has been a fantastic day, been a great team to work with. But there's also another team that I'd like to thank, and that's the team here at the Ontario
First Ontario.
Place Ontario.
First Ontario.
Particularly Mark, Marcus, and BC, who've been with us all day long, and thank you very much for your tech help. Also for the front of the house, their staff have been great for all of us. And Ian, who's not here this evening, has also been very, very helpful. So thank you.
So letting me talk, I'm also thankful to the members of my Rotary Club. That's a Rotary Club of Milton. And I want to ask to Abiola to please come forward, and Abiola, the president of our club. Is she here?
She's outside.
She's outside? Okay.
Here she is.
She is coming, yeah. Thank you so much, President Abiola, for sharing your members with us as a volunteer doing different activities and different helping people. So I'm also thankful to our sponsors and partners in organizing this conference, people who have supported as a main sponsor for the Kelso Park lunch. It's a great occasion. It's a great time to meet and we love to see that. And I'm thankful to the God also, or the Allah or myself, I prayed for that should be a good weather today. Otherwise, my chair of the organizing committee was so much worried about that, what will happen if it rains, where will we go? So thank you so much for everybody what you have done. And I also thankful to and that's it all I have.
We have a hat draw for Calgary.
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
You gotta draw the ticket for the hat.
Oh, this is only 70.
Yeah, just draw a ticket. Just draw a ticket. Read it the
Don't
last
draw
three
your own.
numbers.
782.
782. Yoo-hoo!
Who's coming? Yes, that's good.
Keep coming, that's great.
That's good.
Come on up. Please, please.
There you go. Cocktail hour.
Come on.
There's your cocktail. Go for it.
It's cocktail hour.
The cocktail hour is there, yeah.
So those are